Our first step is to find the Google organic article or blog pages that assist along the path to conversion with a path length of 2 or more. To find this, we'll open our Universal Analytics account and navigate to Conversions, Multi-Channel Funnels, Top Conversion Paths. Now within this screen, we're going to set our date range in the top right. What this date will be will depend on your company's seasonality and the volume of your traffic. You want to try and narrow it down to something that makes sense, that's a solid data set and not segmented or filtered. So in the top left, you'll select the conversion that you're analyzing. For this video, we're doing e-commerce transactions with a path length of 2 or more, and we chose Q3. So primary dimension will come in and change to source median path. And we want to just look at Google Organic. So we're going to click Advanced and add in Google Organic. Our secondary dimension is going to be landing page path URL. And we can come in here and download this file, open it up in Google Sheets so we can get a better look and work with the data. And what we're looking for is a pattern. Where along the user's path is Google Organic most prevalent? Is there a landing page or a topic that we can assess from the landing pages that keep popping up? And from there, we'll filter down further to a landing page with that exact path and notate how many transactions and the transaction value.